I stopped buying butter. Now I make it at home with just one ingredient. In a bowl, I'll start by adding 300 grams of heavy cream. Then, using a fork, I'll mash it all very well. We'll beat it with the fork until it starts changing texture. It's almost there. Let's keep beating. When water starts separating, folks, our butter is almost ready. When it looks like this, it's at the ideal stage. Now we'll remove it and move on to the next step. We'll strain the butter and remove all the liquid. After that, folks, we'll put it in ice water for at least a minute. This is the ideal texture. Now let's dry the butter thoroughly. You can use a kitchen towel or paper towels. Now let's return it to the bowl to season with salt. Use as much as you like. Once done, transfer it to your butter dish. I'll use my French butter dish from Pobre na Cocina and enjoy. And folks, I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.